Is this point clear? So what is the meaning of the thermoplastic? The plastic that can be molded again and again. When we are heating, we can change its shape, and after that again when we will cool it, it will become a desired, we will get the desired shape. Okay, once again if it is broken or any problem will be there in that plastic, again we will heat it, again we will mold it into the desired shape. That is called the thermoplastic. And what is thermosetting? Once it's set, okay, they will not melt on heating. Is this clear? Okay, due to this, abhi second point what we had written, it becomes soft, it do not become soft on heating. All of you are aware with the utensils handle? Yes. Pan handle, है ना? Kadai, pan, and any other thing. So handles are made up of which kind of a plastic? Why so? It do not become soft on heating because we have to work on the fire. Okay? So if the thermoplastic will be there, it will be. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, you all had seen कि sometimes some of the plastic bottle, if we are keeping it near to the burners or the flame, it starts melt, है ना, बहुत sticky सा, and it starts like that. But the utensils handle will not, because these are made up with the thermosetting plastic. Is that clear, bete? Write down the third point, toughness. Third point, toughness. Toughness means which one is showing the toughness, thermoplastic or thermosetting? So what is the point in the toughness? They are lesser tough or they are more tough. Then the next is effect of high temperature. Hanji. Most of the time we used to heat our food substances in a microwave also. So sometimes plastic melts. No, you had not seen. That means all of you are using the very superior quality of plastic. Otherwise, I can tell you like if when we are keeping our food in the hot case also, na, if the plastic is very less light in usme ho, then the temperature, due to the temperature, वो plastic melt हो जाता है. ठीक है? We can also say again and again, sometimes the plates are also melting. So write down thermoplastic पे लिखो. They are less resistant to the high temperature. They are less and they are more resistant to the high temperature. They can bear the high temperature, more resistant to. Is it clear? This point is clear also. Write down the next point. Recycle. Which plastic can be recycled? Which plastic out of these two can be recycled? Plastic. Before recycle, close में, they can be recycled. Now write down the last point, that is the example. Here you can write down PVC, polythene and PVC. What is the full form of PVC? Polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl vinyl chloride, PVC polyvinyl chloride, and the polyene, right? And other side you can write down bakelite, melamine, formica. Bakelite, melamine, formica. Bakelite, melamine, polyvinyl chloride, PVC polyvinyl chloride. PVC is polyvinyl chloride. Is this clear? Right? All these points are clear. Formica, Formica. Bakelite and melamine you are using. Bakelite we used to make the switches. ये जो हमारे now these days we are using the electric switches. These are of the bakelite also. Handles of utensils are the bakelite. ठीक है? Melamine we used to make utensils. ठीक है? These all are the thermosetting plastic. Is that clear, bete? Now we will discuss the general properties of plastics. Now we will discuss the properties of plastic. May I erase this stuff? Yes. Properties of plastics. Number one property, plastics are non-reactive. Why we are saying this is the age of plastic? Why we are saying the plastic age is going on? Because we are having the number of the benefits from like using, as we are using the plastic, we are having benefit. That's why we are saying. So what kind of the benefits actually we are having? Why we are using plastic too much? Okay. No doubt, less expensive. We will write down property. First, they are non-reactive. They are non-reactive. Non-reactive in which term or in which sense we are saying non-reactive? This sense में we are saying कि plastics are non-reactive. They do not react with acids. They do not show the, as you already had done the metals and non-metals chapter, you already read in that chapter कि metals they can show the reaction with the water also. They can show the reaction with the air. Some of the metals they are showing the reaction with the acids also. So due to these things, okay, so plastics जो है, these are the non-reactive. If the plastics are non-reactive, that's why we are using the number of things with the plastic. जो हमारे tanks हैं, है ना, water tank जो हम घर में है, that is also plastic. If they will show the reaction with the plastic, then we are not able to use that one. We are not making our water tank with the help of the metals, because the metals show the reaction with the water also sometime. Okay, so that's why plastics are non-reactive. लिख लो एक लाइन के अंदर. They are non-reactive. और क्या लिखे इसमें? Yeah, ऐसे लिख लो. They will not show the reaction with the water. Yeah, they will not get rusted. They will not get rusted. इसी में. They are not get rusted. ठीक है? That's why we are making, we are using the plastic. अब where we are using plastic, if they are not showing the reaction, so where we are using, they will not show the reaction with the water, with the acid, with air, so where we are using, as I told you, उसमें लिखो number A part लिखो, उसका make a sub part A, right? PVC, PVC full form. It is used for making, कहाँ use होता है PVC? Have you observed PVC? Water pipes. So that's why we are using the water pipes, making with the plastic, because they will not show the reaction with the acid, with hot water, with cold water, they will not show the reaction. तो इसके अंदर देख लो, PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride, is used to make water pipes, water tanks, and sanitary fittings. Sanitary fitting, SANITARY, sanitary fittings. Another point is the B part लिखो. PVC is also used for making soles of shoes. PVC is also used to make soles of shoes, sandals, raincoats. ठीक है? It is also used to making soles of shoes, sandals, raincoats, handbags, bathroom curtains होते हैं ना, ठीक है, वो भी इससे से हैं, bathroom curtains, these, due to these uses, these inertness means they will not show reaction. Inert means when they are not reacted with anyone, उसको हम word बोलते हैं inert. हाँ जी, कि जितनी सैनिटरी फिटिंग होती है, जब when we used to make a house, तो नींव पत्थर करते हैं, उसके बाद when the ground में हम पहले उसकी फिटिंग करते हैं, तो सैनिटरी पाइप्स जो होती हैं, these are PVC. ग्रीन भी होती हैं, वाइट भी होती हैं. These are of green in color, white in color. Mainly white हम घरों में यूज करते हैं, but green भी होती है, ठीक है, जो पतली होती है ग्रीन. सॉरी, सेकेंड लिखो. प्लास्टिक्स आर, सेकेंड पॉइंट है अभी, प्लास्टिक्स आर लाइट इन वेट. सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी उसकी क्या है? प्लास्टिक्स आर, can you give me one example here? You have observed that plastics are light. Thermocol. Write down. Thermocol. Thermocol is the best example to learn that the plastics are the light in weight and rigid. Rigid means कि they sport also, ठीक है, and light in weight. Due to this thing, the second point है बेटे, plastics are light in weight. Example thermocol. Reason लिख लो इसका, या ऐसे लिखो, these are light and rigid. These are light and rigid. Due to this, these are used for making disposable cups. These are used for making disposable cups, ठीक है ना, and disposable cups and packaging material for fragile items. Fragile means जो जल्दी break हो जाती है, उन items को store करने के लिए we will also use these thermocol. All of you are familiar कि when we purchase the TV, computer, laptop, even in the like mobile. So it should be the packing side packing will be of thermocol. Packaging material like TV. Yeah. Fragile packaging items or fragile material, that is TV, computers, mobiles, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं हम. Refrigerators, है ना? All of you had seen कि when we purchase a refrigerator तो side पे सारा thermocol होता है just to protect it. It is light in weight as well as rigid. हाँ जी. वो अलग अलग लिखेंगे. That's why I told you the example thermocol ना. If I am telling you the plastics are light and rigid, example thermocol देखिए I am explaining. Now the third point, plastics are strong and durable. Plastics are strong and durable. अब what we are saying कि plastic जो है वो strong भी है, durable भी है. कहाँ use किया? कहाँ देखा आपने जो strong and durable है? अभी आपने सबसे पहले एग्जांपल दिया था. लिखो. नंबर 1 मेलामाइन. मेलामाइन एग्जांपल के साथ आई एम टेलिंग. मेलामाइन, where melamine is using making floor tiles, making utensils, crockery बनती है. melamine crockery we are using. लिखो. unbreakable dinnerware, unbreakable dinnerware, floor tiles, fire resistant fabrics, So we can ask you in a one word answer to name the plastic that is used to fire resistant fabric. So you have to write down melamine. Getting my point? Okay, which fiber is used to fire resistant? So that is second लिखो polythene. E part लिखो इसका polythene. मुझे यहाँ पे लिख लेना fire resistant. A polythene is also very strong and durable. That's why we used to make the carry bags. हमें carry bag में कितना सामान लेते हैं? So that is due to the strong and durable होते हैं. That's why we are using. Write down polythene के आगे लिखो to make carry bags. Carry bags. Adhesive tapes, and transparent bottles also. Carry bags, adhesive tapes, transparent bottles कह लो या transparent pipes कह लो. Pipes to transparent liquids. वो कर लो, bottle नहीं करो. Transparent pipes. थर्ड लिखे इसमें मेलामाइन, पॉलीथीन. थर्ड वन लिखो पीवीसी. इसमें भी आता है पीवीसी. used to make floor tiles, toys, जो superior quality toys, furniture, toys, anything you can write, furniture, chairs, or we can say bristles, जो टूथब्रश ब्रिसल्स हैं उनमें, या कई और ब्रिसल्स हैं, या ब्रिसल्स रहने तो इसमें बॉटल्स कर सकते हो आप। पीवीसी बॉटल्स वी आर यूजिंग, ब्रिसल्स है, ब्रिसल्स नायलॉन के होते हैं, राइट। Then the next is plastics are poor conductor of heat. Plastics are poor conductor of heat. Which example you will quote here? Poor. Yes, poor conductor of heat. Example number 1, that is bakelite. Bakelite. ये poor conductor है, that's why these are used to making handles of utensil. Handles of utensils. ठीक है, एक और लिखो पॉलीस्टाइरीन। Polystyrene is a thermal insulator. Have you observed the polystyrene in thermos flask? अंदर होता है उसके, that's why वो उसको हीट रखता है. But I told you it is a good thermal insulator. Thermos flask, ice box होते हैं बड़े बड़े, ठीक है. These are also like this, क्योंकि उसमें से ice melt नहीं होती, ठीक है. We used to take that the ice bags for the picnics also. Why we are taking? Because उसके अंदर वो रहता है. You observe that one, उसमें आप thermocol observe करते हो. That is the polystyrene. That type of the thermocol is not thermocol, simple thermocol नहीं होता. That is the polystyrene. वो insulator act करता है, ठीक है. In thermos flask, in ice box, in refrigerators also, कि उसकी कूलिंग को बाहर नहीं जाने देते, ठीक है. In refrigerator we can say air coolers, यानी कि these are present in the hollow walls, जो अंदर walls खाली होती हैं. थर्मस फ्लास्क के बीच की जो वॉल है उसके अंदर होती है एक कोटिंग, ठीक है. रेफ्रिजरेटर्स के अंदर है, एसीस के अंदर है, ठीक है. यू कैन से आइस बॉक्सेस के अंदर है. तो दैट इज ऑफ द पॉलीस्टाइरीन. इज दैट क्लियर? इज दैट क्लियर बेटे? क्लियर है?